Why is there a fucking Dundee United?
Everybody got a GoPro. Where's your GoPro, Luke?
Good morning.
Car for a second, I'll figure
That is nuts.
That's Glen Echo.
Fucking hell, nothing quite that far. See that fall?
We're actually going to get up that window. Who's peeing?
What was that for?
Well done, Josh.
She said she'd give me a ticket because I've got a big stick.
Wait, Russia? Great. Apparently it's a 1 hour ferry. No, it's not 1 hour ferry.
Did you get in a car?
That was quick. Maybe then.
That's how marine biologists go to work. Like.
Should we get all the way over to the
You can pull up to the other side, I think.
How long can it go?
Look at the size of it, man.
3 meters. Oh wait, does that show you?
Oh, great.
Jesus Christ.
That's so funny how big it's huge. It's like a
Fucking bends.
Please tell me the camera's on.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Ferry round 2.
right
I
there.
could not have carried that.
Yeah, no.
Ferry's right there.
That's right there. When I walk up there. We have no drink and we're stuck on a fucking island.
I've plenty of
It's about to get electric.
2000.
Millennial ends in like 1990.
A grey floor is red,
That's
but
easy.
the brand is Regatta.
That's so easy. Any film
Green and green.
that's a remake of a Morgan Freeman film. Probably. Yeah. Thank you guys.
Thanks so much.
You should know it. I love that.
Oh, let's see what we got. Another beanie weenie. We actually need to look for more.
You'd be better having someone hold them than someone wrapping tape around them.
I don't think I've got a system here. No, I think I'd be better holding them than someone wrapping them right.
Yeah, good idea, Josh. I'm glad you came to that in your own conclusion.
I'll take it back! This is the most electric atmosphere I've ever experienced in my life! Time. It's definitely not good as. Oh! In. Yeah. In. Yeah. You need. You're really slide into it.
Lonnie, commit. You can do it. Your turn.
I tried really hard.
Trying twice and failing is worse than trying once and just embarrassing yourself.
Your turn.
There's absolutely no way I'm doing that. There's genuinely no way.
Yeah!
So wild snow.
That's actually cartoon comical. What are you gonna do if you jump?
Go! Go! I'll shit myself.
Guys,
Ribbit.
you're dead.
Ribbit. Don't touch it.
No. Frogs enjoying the disco.
Oh. Yeah, bruh.
Fucking shop.
Is it gonna be one of
This
those?
guy's tweaking out.
Imagine you just disappeared.
Actually fit
Right,
LSD
now's
to
your
the
time.
frog. Nightmare.
Watch whatever crap comes on next. Coming up next, Futurama. And now it's time for Everybody Loves Hypnotoad.
Show it to
Oh shit!
Bro, he's tweaking. Look at this guy. Close. What's up?
Right, let me show him Hypnotoad.
Oh, bruh. Look.
Bro, he's tweaking out.
Oh my god, Hypnotoad for 10 hours.
Oh, shit.
Caleb.
So many.
No one will believe him as well.
So funny.
Mate, I saw that as well.
You started a toad conspiracy. You really split the population
There
there.
was,
Guys, we're fucking miles away. Can we?
we're so far away.
Well, we've not come all this way not to go to the beach, so.
Me pee.
He's released an EP. I'm not ready to die. Josh.
Yeah.
Oh, you said you needed to pee.
I need to pee.
I thought you said I need to release an EP.
You what?
Never mind. See him?
Oh, right.
Guys, it's
She said I need to pee. I thought she was. I need to release an EP. Alright. Why are you such a rush?
He's juicy.
Look at
Look at
close.
the neck of how juicy he is.
Look at close.
He's like seeing himself for the first time.
Oh my god. I really wanted to like jump on you, that'd be so
Fam,
funny.
is this what I look like? Chat, you will never believe. Philly went on a fucking crazy adventure. Went all the way to the beach. Didn't see any basking sharks. That's gonna be tomorrow's job. The amount of toads. It's like genuinely. Let me just show you.
He's got some footage of some...
That was the master tape. Good night. Good night.
Ribbit.
Ribbit. Go Sandio. There better be sharks.
To America.
To America.
See you later, mate. He's returned again.
I bring news.
Goodbye.
Good enough push, I would make it to like Alaska.
Alaska.
Nah, Newfoundland.
Others. So side.
Yeah, the currents would take me there. I'd go on around the world.
Toes. Just paddle your toes.
I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it.
Basking sharks.
Basking sharks. Where are you? You know there's killer whales as well. This is so unbelievably peaceful.
3, 2,
Oh.
1.
No, too cold, too cold.
3.
No, it's gonna be so cold.
Mate, I will flip you over.
You're not even in yet.
I am.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
I know, I did. I pussied out quite a bit.
3, 2, 1. He's back. The basking sharks are coming for me!
You see what I mean?
What is that?
What's what?
That's so gross. I want to see what
It's just seaweed, yeah. So we can see it, look. Where are you? Right, now I'll kick and we'll turn.
Oh, mate, so
I actually don't have a knob anymore. It's so small. The video of the killer whale or the orca in Loch Lomond. The guy's on like a paddle board.
Yeah, he starts hitting it.
Imagine what was that.
What did you call it? An idiot or something?
What are you doing, you fucking idiot?
Get the fuck, don't fucking bite a boat, you cunt.
Like reached for the GoPro.
No, this is better pack her up. Never know when you might need her again then. By the time we get on this boat. Should do a debrief. Right, so here's the story. Woke up very early on Saturday morning. Lewis slept in, but actually turned out fine. Met up in Crane Larrick, is that where I met up, Luke?
He's not fucking there.
He doesn't know. Met up there. Drove all the way up here. Festival. Very good festival. Then we had a major adventure, of which you've now seen, which culminated in getting onto the beaches of America. So that's next. We're now in America, as you can see. And we're going to take over the States.
Close to Massachusetts just now.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that.
Like the,
Sausage.
oh my
That's
goodness.
not a burger, that's a square sausage apparently.
That's not a square sausage, that's a fucking cuboid sausage.
Slab, mate.
Glad of sauce.
Anyway, gonna now take over the States. If you want us to play your basement or your frats or your colleges, hit me up.
I like your boy.
Okay, bye everybody. See you later. Meow.